hand is stuck to the wall. Imagine, feel, believe and pretend. Really press. Feel it. Which part of your hand you feel more stuck? Show me. Palm. From this it is spreading all over your hand. This palm is your hand is completely stuck to the wall. When you really feel that your hand is completely stiff and you cannot remove it, try to remove your hand but you find it stuck completely. Try hard. Now imagine a negative memory or something, a negative block you want to remove. Can you pick up something which you want to get rid of? Imagine that things are there, it is stuck completely here. Imagine that mental block. This mental block is completely stuck. Now listen carefully. Your unconscious mind will remove this block as fast as your hand releases from there. Your hand will release as fast as your unconscious mind will remove your mental block completely. Yes, that's right. That's wonderful. Yes. Relax. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Open your eyes again. Now think about that mental block now. And notice how good you feel now. Is it there or gone? Release.